Welcome to Suburban Chevrolet, where saving is simple. Serving the community since 1925, Suburban Chevrolet offers a fast, fair, and friendly buying experience with over 16 acres of quality new and pre-owned vehicles like this.
When it comes to a crossover that fits your family's lifestyle, Chevy Equinox is the way to go. A fuel-saving 6-speed automatic transmission and a 2.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine with direct injection mean up to 600 highway miles between fill-ups. Every aspect of the stylish Equinox interior was given considerable thought, especially comfort and quietness. Not only does Equinox seat up to 5 passengers, the innovative multi-flex sliding rear seat means Equinox can offer passengers the most rear seat legroom in its class. MyLink uses your Bluetooth-paired smartphone to stream Pandora and Stitcher Smart Radio through the system. Chevy Equinox is equipped with features designed to protect you and your loved ones, such as the standard 4-wheel anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution. There's also the available lane departure warning. The 2013 Chevrolet Equinox, a crossover for the modern lifestyle.
At Suburban Chevrolet, a top-performing GM-certified dealer, we're all about service, selection, and value. We always pay top dollar for your trade, and our friendly staff is here to help you drive away in the vehicle that's just right for you. Stop in today for a no-obligation test drive and shop over 16 acres of inventory. We are conveniently located in Eden Prairie at Highway 494 and Highway 5.